Yes, we are really doing this.
Whoa! Let's bury this. Great good to me, man. See you later. Thanks, dude.
Well, good morning and welcome to Coffee with Conti. And on this channel, I've used my car for a number of things to showcase my passion for Corvette. I've used my car to inform and educate you. I've used my car to encourage you to do things in your car. But today on the show, I'm going to do something in my car that you will never do. We're going to deliver pizzas. And this video is no way sponsored by Domino's, and I'm sorry to Little Caesars and Donato's. Their logos simply didn't match my car. Let's have some fun in my car. Let's deliver some pizzas on Coffee with Conti. Thank you for joining us, and make sure you subscribe.
The receipts for the orders as well?
Yeah, just so I know what it is, because part of the bit is if they let me put them on camera, I'm going to pay for their pizza.
All right.
And then where do I
print off?
And where do I get the address?
It will be on
the receipt. Well, if it's going to be on the receipt, then I'll just use that.
These?
Yes.
Will be right there.
Yes, we are really doing this. All right, 208. Here we go. All right, so the whole gist of this is to have fun in my car, but if they allow us to put their delivery on YouTube, I'm going to pay for their pizza. How you doing?
Doing good. Good. Got some pizza here for you guys. Let me get that out of there. Nice and hot. Quick question for you is if I'm filming for YouTube, because I do a YouTube channel for Corvette, is it okay if I put this on YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
Here's the YouTube channel, and then there's the cost of the pizza for you. Thanks for that.
Oh, thank you very much.
Appreciate it. All right, have a good night, man.
Really good people.
All right, you got it, buddy.
Have a good day.
You too. Let's do some more. All right, we got to figure out where we're going next. Oh, man, this is easy. All right, this is going to be an easy one. Let's go.
No, I bet you're laughing your ass off. You come around the corner, you're like, what the heck? There's a Corvette with that on there. What's happening? I'm Rick. I sell Corvettes, and I'm using my car to deliver pizzas.
Oh.
I'm going to be coming over to talking to your boss and telling him, hey, I want to do this. I bought one of those off of eBay. I bought decals and put them on my car.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Good, good.
Jacob.
Hey, buddy. All right, here, we got one of your little dipping sauces there. All right.
How you guys doing? I do a Corvette YouTube channel. That's part of what I'm doing. I'm delivering the pizzas. Can I put you guys on the channel? Is it okay if I do that? And if I do that, I'd like to pay for your pizza.
Sure.
Okay, this is where you'll be able to see the video next Sunday, and that's for your pizza. Okay, thank you so much, you guys.
Here.
No, that's not. This is what I'm doing. I'm having fun delivering the pizzas in my Corvette because the Domino's matches my Corvette. So
Oh, that's beautiful.
I just want to take care of you guys tonight. So thanks for allowing me to share this with the audience. I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
He's like, hey, what's up? What's up? Hi, big
I'll
boy.
be your friend forever.
That's right. Thanks again, you guys. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You guys like that car?
I feel like I've done this before. You notice the Domino's hat, making it all official. You might come out through the garage. Oh, no, come here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Got a delivery for you? Right address or no?
It's 1819.
Is it for you guys?
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, I think that's the right address. You ordered from Domino's, right?
Let me ask somebody. I don't know. I have no idea.
I think that. Well, let me double check the address I got.
No, I think my child will be.
What's that?
My children did. I think.
The children ordered?
Maybe.
I know I didn't order it.
I didn't order anything.
Let me get the receipt. Hang on one second. This is not supposed to be this difficult, but that's okay. Here, cameraman. We in the right spot?
Yeah, he did it.
Oh, you did it! You used Dad's credit card. All right, fantastic. Help me get this out of here if you would, guys. Then I got a quick question for you. Thank you. Careful. I think there's one more in here. All right. Is it okay? I'm filming this because I do YouTube stuff for my Corvette channel. I'm actually just working for Domino's tonight. So may I put this delivery on YouTube? Is it okay? Okay?
Sure.
Fantastic. So the YouTube channel is going to be that right there. And for allowing me to do that, I'm going to pay for your pizza tonight. Thank you so much. I got you out of trouble. See? All right. I thought that was going to be a flop.
I did too.
I just, okay. Let's go do some more. Tell that other driver to come up here real quick. Daryl, come up here real fast. I didn't want to impede on what you guys do for a living, so thanks. We're just having fun using the car and really brighten people's day. Everybody said I could use them on YouTube, so I paid for the pizza after they've already paid you guys.
Oh.
So I want to pay you guys. I'll give you each $100 just for allowing me to do a couple deliveries in your behalf.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Very much.
All right, man. You bet. I'm going to do a couple of more, then I'll let you guys have at it. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Don't mind the crazy car. I'm filming for my Corvette YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
May I include you on that?
Sure.
Okay, I want you to take this card. That's where my YouTube channel is. Okay. And I'm going to pay for your pizza for allowing me to put you on the channel tonight.
No way.
So thank you. Yeah, so here's your pizza.
All right.
It's nice and hot. I don't know if there's anything else on top there or not. I don't want to drop it.
So you're just putting miles on this Corvette, delivering
Absolutely,
pizza?
that's what they're for. So there's some sauces.
Oh, shoot.
There you go. I think that's everything. Is that everything?
That is. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
fantastic. All right, have a great night.
Love your car.
Thank you. All right, so you guys get a little understanding of behind the scenes kind of stuff.
our first pizza delivery is really going to be the last one you're going to view today on the channel. Thanks for joining us. What a lot of fun delivering Domino's Pizza in my Corvette. So we're picking up one now for my finance manager. Got a couple pies for you, man.
All right.
I want to check them out, make sure I got the right one for you. Whoa! What's?
Bear eat this?
No. Tastes good to me, man. See you later. Thanks, dude. Okay, my shift is over.
You guys delivering pizza now?
Yeah, in the Corvettes? Yes, we are. All right, guys, it's the end of my shift. How did I do? Everybody had a lot of fun. Everyone had a lot of fun. Hopefully the guys are happy that that's their regular job, so I didn't want to step on anybody's toes, but thanks for allowing me to do that. It's pretty new. All the customers except for one said I can use them on YouTube, so they'll be on the channel. All right, guys, now we're finally going to get this stuff off the car. Yes, I've got it Gorilla taped on here. Now the sign is a magnet sign, but of course, Corvette is made of fiberglass, so I had to Gorilla tape it to the roof of the car. I got some goo gone and that kind of stuff, and that'll help get some of the residue off. So no Corvettes were hurt in the filming of today's episode. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I hope you had fun. Hope we made you smile, as we did many customers when we pulled into their driveway delivering pizzas in a Domino's Corvette. I want to thank the folks at the Pataskala Domino's. We had such a blast. The staff was just cracking up. I want to thank the delivery drivers for allowing me to do their job for just a little bit. I want to thank all the customers that allowed us to share their deliveries on the channel. There was many that didn't, but that's okay. They too just laughed when they saw a Domino's Corvette pulling into the driveway. They didn't know if this was for real or what. But I got to tell you this, I had such a blast putting this together for you guys. I wanted my son Ryan to help me with some of the cinematic shots and that kind of stuff, but I want to thank Jake here at Coughlin. We had a blast capturing all those little segments for you guys to make today's show a little bit more entertaining to watch. I know this is torture to watch me taking this off the car, but I'm finally getting it done. And for those of you watching that said, you know what, this guy's crazy, but he's for real. And I like that. I think I want to buy a Corvette from him. I've been doing this for 31 years, and I do appreciate that. I'd love the opportunity to work with you guys. I don't care if you're 2 miles away or 2,000. My contact information is up on the screen. Reach out to me. I'd love to help you any way I possibly can. I know there's restrictions on some models, but we are processing orders as fast as we possibly can. And I'll tell you what, it is worth the wait. This is an incredible car. And as we did today, we like to break away from business and simply have fun. And I want to leave you with the thought of, okay, what is Rick going to do next? You know what? I don't know, but we'll come up with something. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and you comment down below. Have a great day.